They never make these long enough. It's always right there. Hold on. All right, that's better. Little piece of paper. We'll do the trick. It's Wednesday. I am headed to Garden Grove, and I'm doing a Tesla carbon fiber interior overlay thing. I don't know. Customers got the kit. Stick around. Next shot, I'll be inside a Tesla. Alright, I'm in the Tesla. I'm gonna be doing carbon overlays like that. We got a whole kit right there. This is gonna take some time, but yeah, it should look pretty cool. Once we're done, I'll show you. Stay tuned. Gotta get that ghost glove. There we go. Cool. It's important to lock in that front edge because that's what you're going to see, especially the driver position. You don't want none of that wood showing. So once you lock in that, then you can work your way back. And this kit's like cut perfectly. Let me show you. Well, when I put it on, I stretched it just a hair, so it doesn't line up perfect, but it'll work still. Okay, we got it. Just gotta tuck this back right here. And then tuck right in there. And then I gotta finish these off right here, the edges. They have another piece that goes right on top. Got that done. Now let's move on. All right, got it done. Check it out. Not bad, actually fit really good. One of the better fitting kits, in my opinion. I've done a few of these, and sometimes the kits don't fit that well. So it's nice to see this one fit really good. And they use 3M wrap material. It's really tacky, good stuff for interiors. So yeah, just gonna finish up the rest of the car. Okay, got the steering wheel done. Yeah, I'm gonna make some trims, but or cuts. But yeah, it fit pretty good. Check it out. It goes over the little. It's having trouble focusing on the carbon, but yeah, it has cutouts for the little arrows on both sides. Goes all the way up there to the pretty low tack surface. So I'm wondering how it's going to last, especially since your hands are always right here. We'll see. Right up front, we got the right here. You can see all the lines right there. Got the carbon all the way. That looks pretty cool. Got the carbon up here. Boom, boom, boom. Got the carbon all the way there, up in here. Yeah, overall this carbon fiber overlay kit is really good. I'm not sure who it's from. I will put a link in the description below once I find that out. It said Tesla Bros, or looked like it came from Teslarati. So overall the kit fit really good. I would highly recommend. It's fit really good and it sticks really good. Other than the steering wheel, I don't know if that's going to hold up very well. But every other part, especially the plastic pieces, they stick really good. Yeah, I like it. I always like when things are custom. Anyways, thanks for watching. Give a like and consider subscribing.